My fiance and I were looking for a place to live. We saw the modern townhome style house. It was really nice. It was all brand new. Quickly realized that we don't want to go up and down stairs that many times a day, and also that the rooms were a little tight compared to what we could get for a real house. So we decided to start looking for real houses with a garage.
It made sense that we started out looking at new stuff, and new stuff for the price point that we wanted to be in pushed us towards the periphery of Seattle.
They were just a little too far. The area wasn't too nice. So we went closer into Seattle and it got more and more expensive. So we eventually realized that we were gonna have to make some sacrifices, and we weren't gonna get a new house, we weren't gonna get a garage. All we cared about was location at this point. Commute was pretty important to us. We wanted to be about 45 minutes to work. Kevin showed us all our options. We didn't necessarily just stay looking at one type of house. We started looking at other types of houses.
I think it's always a compromise game when you get going in this. People have wants and expectations.
The house is 101 years old, but it was remodeled 5 years ago, so you wouldn't know it's that old.
It kind of checked all our criteria. It was right off the main road, so bus line was there. It did not have a garage, but it had a permit that was approved, so they could build their garage.
He did a good job at showing that a 100-year-old house can be a 5-year-old house, depending on how much is done. So that was helpful because, if I'm setting up filters and I'm saying no house is older than 2010, I'm not going to see what we found. And we were very happy. We've been there for a few months. The area's nice, just couldn't be happier.